Okay, today I'm going to explain the gene expression in our cell through glucocorticoid pathway. The external factor that I choose is stress. So, the stress will trigger the hypothalamus. This kicks off the HPA axis, which stands for hypothalamus pituitary adrenal axis. The hypothalamus signal the pituitary gland, which then activate the adrenal gland, leading to the release of cortisol in the bloodstream. Cortisol helps our body respond to stress. It circulates through the blood and reach cells all over the body. Inside those cells, cortisol binds to a protein called the glucocorticoid receptor, or GR, which is found in the cytoplasm of the cell. Once cortisol binds to GR, they form a complex that moves into the nucleus, which is the control center of the cell where DNA is stored. This is where the process ties into the central dogma of molecular biology, which is from DNA transcript to RNA and RNA translate to protein. Inside the nucleus, the cortisol GR complex binds to specific section of DNA called glucocorticoid response elements, or GRE. This binding either activate or repress the transcription of certain gene. In other words, it controls which gene get turned on or turned off. So, what's the result of all this? Changes in gene expression. Some genes become more active or other less. These are usually stress response genes that help us adapt to challenges. But if the stress is chronic, these changes can have long-term effect on things like mood, immunity, and metabolism. That's why the glucocorticoid pathway is linked to conditions like anxiety, depression, and obesity. Thank you.